How to play Roblox on a school Chromebook. Now, the most convenient way of doing this is to use any proxy site. So for you to be able to do so, just simply open up your school Chromebook browser, which is going to be Google. Now, the proxy site that you can try is going to be easyfun.gg. Now, this is going to be their main homepage. You could also play any kinds of games into this specific proxy site without downloading the specific game itself. Just simply locate the search box and type in Roblox, and then you should be able to see three options, which is going to be VN, Roblox Adventure, Roblox Gunfight. Just choose on Roblox Adventure, and then you will be asked to whether play the game right away using the web browser, or you can choose to install this game. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to play Roblox on a school Chromebook.